Hi, this is Cyprien from FA for All, and in this quick video let's see how to post-process the results from code-aster. So let's say that I already have a study and I got the results without any problems, so everything is green like here. So how do I post-process the results? How do I get the displacement and the stresses from that? So first of all, if you want to get displacement, well, you'll have them from the start. But if you want to get stresses, then you have in Aster study, you will have to use the command calc champ. Okay, so champ is a French word. Actually, it means field. So and to add that, you have to go into post-processing, and this is the first one, calc champ. So let me show you. So you click here, and you need to have that into your analysis and to add what you need. So contrainte means stress, so you need to check this option here to add, and here you can add different types of stresses. So from what I remember, sigma L no is the sigma, I think it's von Mises at nodes. It's the stresses at the element nodes or something. Elga is as ghost points. So but I'm still not very sure about. So anyway, if you want to know which kind of result you want to display in addition, then you have to just to search those names on Google, and you will find a document in which it's described how to do that. So once you define the kind of results, the kind of additional results you want, and you have this in your analysis and you computed everything, you got the results, then let's see how to open the post-processing. So first you have to click on this small tab called data files, and here you have something called, so you have the result file here, which is the file which contains the results you computed, and you right click, and then you have an option called open in Paravis. So click on that, and it will automatically open the Paravis module. So the Paravis module is where you post-process the results, and you get to see actually the displacement and the stresses. So okay, here we go. We need a bit of time to launch of that. Okay, now it's opened, and here you see that you have your model. So if you don't open it like I did, you just go in the module here and you select Paravis, then you won't have this, so you won't have any way to look at your results. So that's why you have to go in Aster Study, right click, and you will get it here. Okay, so now you have to, okay, where is my plate? Now that's the big question. Okay, let's go back in, for example, the mesh module, and I think I need to display something. Okay, Paravis, information, properties. Okay. Okay, so here I didn't got the results. So that's probably a small problem in my Aster study file. So I think I may have. So let's open the okay, this result. No, not this one. Output. I may have forgot to specify something in the output. Okay, I think I need to attach the results here, so that's what I forgot to do. And here at least one. Okay, mesh. No, maybe I need to select result. Okay, result, this one. Okay, And now that I have that, I think I can compute again, and I should get the result this time. So let's add a new stage, run again. So as you see, it's not always so straightforward. You may have to go back to activate some options if you forgot something, but most of the time you finally you get something. Okay, now let's try to reopen that. Reopen this. Okay, and now you see the difference. Now you have here the result. So I didn't have that previously, and now I can display this, for example. Okay, and here's my plate, so it's okay. So I need to set the right view. Okay, now this is my view. Now you see I can see my results. So I didn't have them previously, but now I have them. So now you have several ways to visualize that. You can visualize with the mesh elements, and if you want to, let's say, you want to have more option on the visual thing, then you need to activate. I think you need to go in view, windows, and here you'll have various kind of windows that are not activated from the start. So you may have to activate display, I think, and by default it appears here, but you can move it. You can move it here, for example, and here you'll get more options, or I can even take it out, I think, like that. So we can extend it a bit, see what we have. And here you have basically options for visualization. So if you want to change the color of the edges, you want to make something transparent, change the color mode. Well, you can try by yourself to change all those options and to see what you get. For example, here this is maybe one of the most important one. If you want to see displacement in X direction, in Y direction, then you have to go here. Okay, let's put that together here. Now another thing which you probably want to do is, how do you display the deformed shape? So to display the deformed shape, it's not as straightforward as you may think. You will have to create a filter. So to create a filter, you go here in filters, you click first on your result, you go here in filters, and you have to select mechanics, and I think you have, let me check that. Mechanics, and okay, it's not exactly here. Well, I have to search again, because I'm also getting confused sometimes with this interface. Now let me show you how to get the stresses, because this is the way to get the stresses actually. Filter, mechanics, and here I want the stresses field on the surface. So I click here and I will have a new type of results added, and I have to activate it like that. So click here, and I think I need to switch the result here. Okay, and now I get stresses. I kind of get stresses, so I can get also stresses in various directions. So basically that's the way to display. And now, of course, the thing you want to know is, how do you actually check the result at each point, right? I searched myself for a long time to be able to find how to do that, and you have actually a bunch of very small icons here. So that those icons are actually important when you want to get a result from those points. So the thing you have to do is, for example, you have interactive cells on. So if you click here, okay, don't ask again, you will be able to select cells like that. And when you click, okay, cells become activated. And then I think you're able to display display the value at those points. So you need to, I think you need to add another window called statistics. I think it's, no, selection display inspector. Okay. And here again, it appears here on the bottom of the screen, so you can take it up here. And here you will have kind of labels. So let's say I want to display stresses. Okay, and here you see you actually get a lot of results. So it's kind of difficult to see. So you have to, I think, switch to I think you have to, there is a way to display only one kind of results. Let's zoom a bit. Not like that. Okay. So it's now you have the result of all the nodes of one element. And I think if you switch here, select points with polygon. Okay, you have to select points. Okay, you click select points. And I think if you select like that, okay, now you are able to see the value at one point. So you can view the value, and you can view stresses as well. Okay, so here it displays the stresses S, X, X, Y, Y, and Z, Z, so in the 3 directions. And one thing you can do also is here, you have another option to split horizontally the view, and you can add other types of view, like a spreadsheet view. And here I think if you select the nodes or something, you will be able to, okay, a table will appear with actually the value. Oh my god, what did I do? I think this one. Okay, I think I can restart. I can reset, clear the selection, yeah. Okay, hover points on. So if you click here, okay, the points. Okay, so here you get also, you see when you click, and you get also some, I don't know why my screen is becoming black like that. Interactive. So okay, add selection. So basically you have to play with those option of those selection options until you find the way to do it, to display in the way you want. Just camera, select cells. So here I think you can select okay, that's why I didn't. Okay, now I understand. I didn't select that. So you have to select this menu and select actually the type of result you want to see here, and then you'll have the display of the various points. So when you select one cell, for example, I don't know why. I think my graphical card may have some kind of issue. Okay, so I selected an element like that, and here in the table I think I have to select this table here, and you see the element you selected will appear like that in orange in the table. So then you will get the result of the displacement at all the nodes of this element, and I think there are also other options to export those results. Or anyway, okay, so that's all for this video. I think you already got an idea of how to get some result and display them, and also you get a general idea of how it works. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope this was useful for you. So if you're on YouTube, you'll probably find the link to the article and the next videos inside the description. Otherwise, you can go on my blog feaforall.com and click in the category open source FEA, and you'll find all the articles I wrote about open source FEA and the previous videos inside this category. So thank you for watching. I hope that you learned a lot and that you will learn a lot using all the videos that I am sharing on my blog. So if you like those videos, please help me to share them with your friends and other engineers. And also please let me know what you think in the comments. It's always great to have some kind of feedback, and if you have some ideas of things you would like to learn or do with FEA, please also let me know. Thank you for watching again.